Hi everyone, this is Jelana here. Welcome to Innovative Flatsome theme review video. Today I'm gonna review Innovative Market's best-selling and trending multi-purpose WooCommerce WordPress theme, and the theme name is Flatsome. But just before we take a closer look, make sure to subscribe to Rana YouTube channel so you stay up to date with all our best upcoming offers. Flatsome is the perfect theme for your shop, company website, or your client's website as an agency or freelancer. It has all the tools needed to create super fast responsive website with amazing user experience. Unlimited options with the revolutionary responsive page builders gives you the ability to create anything without any coding. Okay, let's review it. Flatsome is very popular and most selling multi-purpose responsive WooCommerce WordPress theme by UX Themes. It has been sold 2 lakh 6,000 plus unit. It has 4.8 ratings out of 5 according to 7.1k reviews, and has 26.5k comments, and 95 of theme are very positive. Okay, let's see live preview how is looking demo website. Before showing live demo site, we are gonna short explain about some powerful features. UX builder, header designer, WooCommerce and shop features, light theme options, core features, Flatsome Studio, fast performance, customer reviews, footer features, elements library, blog elements, blog features, parallax scrolling, the portfolio features, sticky sections, and more. Okay, go back now demo site. Flatsome theme demos. Flatsome includes many pre-made homepage and setting you can add with a single click. These are just example. You can mix and match headers, page colors and fonts using the theme option panel.